don.
Itu khai cái nát đi sao tu tiền, hôn đi sao hobby của.
Itu kau na orang na.
Nói rồi, itu kau rồi.
View tu na mon la view tu se. So final shoot kurle se dia. View tu.
Mực phi yan ở sang ngô yang kia.
Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing great. I am also doing fine by the grace of God. Aji to weather bit man bia ase. Bole bi amjan sob chani ase thumbnail le saina hanishna kunyak ton William aro tala Mikey aro friend man tala pacha man monde jaisa aji to man men monde chala to ki sule do. This time do konyak ton William aro tala Mikey tajun kaulese kana itu do gospel kana kaulese to gospel holibi itu do very old song ase purana kana ase to man journey ja khan aro man behind the scene khan kiki man kala kana हमने slightly देखा हुआ इधर ने हमने ने वीडियो लास्ट तक साइड में कुछ बोलेगा
तो आज भी एकता काना ओलाई दिबले আছে इतु 50 আছে তাই তো হস্টেন দা হালি দিব আৰু মইখান তো কানা কৰি কেনা কালি ঘোৰাবলে আছে ভালকে চাই লবি দেই বাই বাই
तो गाइस इधर मन तन्हाई पुंजिसे तन्हाई पुस्ती हमने किरा सामान ले रे मां बालस नोय गाइस ये बॉस का my friend how are you
Mr. S tayong kunak
how are you good
A few moments later.
So guys man tari biya hoina ek khonda atha nisna to tui khonda nisna puise to last hope gabo goina sati lok pawa thawala gure asde thakaw de Start hoise. Iso moromba start hoise de. Yeah. So guys, iso moromba kari start hoise. To nearly 1 hour, 2 hours. Listen, are my friend. Tai lok paise, tai lok paina motor kurise. Thank you. Welcome. De. Ini lo jawa. Bye. So guys, idia abe ekta jaga de piya hoina ruki jaise oh pore. Itu thakai na ina wanjing la driver kan phai kan ne. Doan ba check kuri ase. Doan mon ba khora kan.
Tao kari sam go mutar le.
Kete tade kare ekta phai tari do ase. Mechanic ton no.
tong tu an chi hoy cái nó quý
안지 비오죠. 얼른 발라 안지 오이를. So guys, finally mon buishe ina ina mon race crazy dia. Alap momo chow han khawo ina na right after the studio te jabo. To side kibi.
A few moments later.
So today we have Ton and this is his wife, my aunt. So this is Zapomo and Lima. We are at live jam. So achieve Ton aro ekta nutun gana panabo hoina. So achiro taila Mikey Bobby help rola today.
Ton is ready.
So
Ready?
tell me about something.
Ajila gana do gospel gana gaule se.
Yes.
Ton tala maiki. So Lima is working on that. Get ready to enjoy. Bye bye.
Stay tuned.
Ai da man nay đâu sai cơ mà
เกตไม่มีวันได้มองมา
Mepiyane sango yang ki Oh hiyo ye fa oh
So guys, finally we are done. So guys, it's day 2 and you know we're at the Church of Konyak Baptist Church. So here. So it's a gospel song. So aji to yedi ba shoot kor lese. Konyak la church kina ase? Ton.
Oh fali ase
Maya.
Main.
Bas na.
Tam
So
main.
yedi shoot korbo. Video. We are waiting for Raj. Now I'll go and ask permission from pastor. Ina shoot koro kuno jagah shoot korla bhalo hobo. Hey. So beautiful. Don Willem is helping Raj in carrying this. So we're done with two session khatam hoise eta eta opor jabo. So this is the Church of Konyak. Kun side jabo lese? Oh to side pa. Yeah, we can go from that side. No. Everyone is carrying at least one thing. See, I'm carrying this. So guys, wow. This is the beauty of Konyak Church. Upstairs, so we're going to shoot here now. Don, kina gase church to? কি কৈছিলে Don?
Itu khai kina nisa wa tu tin ho nisa hobi ko a
তুই খাব না আৰু না
Oi lo itu ka
আ ভিউ দে না মন লা ভিউ দে সো ফাইনাল শুট করলে যে দিয়া আজি তো গরম মজা হলে উপায় নাই না because we are going back tomorrow I mean today so this is it. Look at Mon district, Mon town, new site. View to masti ase.